Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to find your routing number on the Bank of America app in 2025. If you're setting up direct deposits, wire transfers, or just need it for online payments, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Routing numbers are those 9-digit codes that identify your bank, and with the app's updated interface for 2025, it's even more straightforward. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Bank of America app installed on your smartphone. Updates in 2025 have made navigation smoother, so let's get started. Open the app and log in with your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a quick verification code, security first, right? Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. You'll see an overview of your accounts. Tap on the account you need the routing number for, like your checking or savings. In the Account Details section, look for a tab or button that says Account Information or Details. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down, and you should find your routing number listed clearly, often right next to your account number. If it's not immediately visible, don't panic. Bank of America's 2025 update includes a handy search feature. Just tap the search bar at the top, type in routing number, and it should pull up the info instantly. Pro tip: always double-check the number to avoid any errors in transactions. It's usually the same for all accounts at the same bank, but verify it matches what's on your checks or bank statements. And there you have it. Finding your routing number is quick and painless. If you run into any issues, the app's Help Center has updated guides for 2025. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.